My dearest Cynthia, oh, how I long for your return. My loins burn for you with the intensity of 1,000 suns. How dare those damned werewolves take you from me? I curse those beasts and damn them to hell, where they shall burn in a lake of fire because they can't swim with a dam. You must escape, my dear, for who else will cook the squirrels that I have bashed, or the fish that I have captured, or the deer that I have gutted?
So what are you doing this weekend?
That I have stoned to death.
I don't know, probably just gonna chill out, watch some Shark Week.
Well, there's this guy, he's got this boat, and I was thinking we'd get some people together, go out on the lake, maybe some girls, do some drinking. You never know what could happen. You be game?
Yeah, man, that sounds pretty sweet.
Awesome.
Come home soon. Love, Sebastian.
It's just gonna be the two of us, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, there's our guy.
Oh, mates, you two ship ready for a bender?
Huh?
Come on.
Are you sure that's the guy?
You blokes bring your fish hands.
Sure.
Fish and chips, mate, I got one! Oh, look at the fins! And the other fins in the shop! My head feels all wibbly wobbly. I think I'm gonna go see the angels. Tell me, Mom, that the ding-dongs are done.
Dude? Dude, you alright? Hey, a mate? Mate? How about that bender? You know, the bender? Dude?
Hey, he's dead.
Well, I don't know how to drive one of these things, do you?
No? Looks like we're in the same boat, man. Literally. Why don't we just ask one of these boats for help?
We can't do that.
Why not?
My mom told me I can't talk to strangers. I'd rather jump in with sharks.
Great. Looks like we're stuck. Hey! Those people, they're gonna get in the water. We gotta warn them.
Whatever, dude. It's their life.
What? No. Hey! Oh,
Too late. We're gonna die!
I think I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna jump ship and swim as fast as I can.
You're
gonna die.
Well, we gotta kill that shark then.
I got an idea. We'll catch it again. And when it jumps up, we'll punch it in the face and kill it dead.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Wait a minute.